Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Recall token on Binance Alpha. So Recall just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I'll show you how in this video step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Recall. Search it. You can click tap on Alpha and you will find it. You can click it, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really bad, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research, and if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume, it's not good, but maybe, I don't know, maybe there is some opportunities. Once again, this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. You can also check their website and their social media. Also, you can check their audit here. You can, read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy here like this, and also the amount here. Also, you can check. Also, you can choose instant buy here. You can swap your USDC or other token to Recall. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.